Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am is not saying anything.
Ma'am,
Yes.
your voice is not audible.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here only. I'm not speaking anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is
Yes.
not
So all of you, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself, beta. It's very yes. So what a natural vegetation? It's an area. m- It means the plants that grow naturally in that area without the disturbance of any human activity is known as natural vegetation. In simplest word, simple word हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Natural vegetation means the plants that grow naturally without human interference. अब natural vegetation को हम लोग 3 categories में characterize करते हैं. These are forests, grasslands and deserts. ठीक है? What are these? Are forests, grasslands and desert. Under
Desert.
forest we will study the tropical evergreen forest, then tropical deciduous forest, then we will study the temperate evergreen forest and temperate deciduous forest, and next will be a coniferous forest and the Mediterranean forest. So I will be sharing the screen with you. Just look at the screen and try to learn the different types of forest, the meaning of forest and other various types of vegetation found in India and in the world. Yes. So first thing, am I audible, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thing is a
Yes,
natural
ma'am.
Yes,
vegetation.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen. Okay, dear, listen to me. The first thing is your natural vegetation. Under natural vegetation हम लोग 3 types पढ़ेंगे. Forest, grasslands and desertic scrub. या फिर deserts हैं आपका last topic है. Under forest आपका आ जाता है tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest. आपकी बुक में सिर्फ 2 ही हैं. Tropical evergreen and tropical deciduous 1 part, and temperate evergreen and temperate deciduous forest. So, what are forests? Forest क्या होते हैं बेटा? Forest grow where temperate and rainfall are plentiful support a tree cover. Forests are of 6 types basically, but we will cover only 2 types of forest. When we talk about the tropical evergreen forest, तो ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट की बात करते हैं हम लोग. वो क्या होता है? जस्ट लुक टेक आउट योर पेंसिल.
Yes, ma'am.
ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट क्या होते हैं? These forests are found in the equatorial region. ये एरिया हमें कहाँ मिलते हैं? These are found in the equatorial regions. The Amazon and the Orinoco River basin in South America, the Zaire River basin in Africa, and in Southeast Asia. These forests are found near the equator region. कहाँ कहाँ पे? Near Amazon, in South America, and in Africa, and in Southeast Asia. अब ये फॉरेस्ट कैसे होते हैं? Like, just look at the screen. You can see the dense forest. दिख रहा है वो dense forest?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Evergreen क्यों बोलते हैं बेटा? Because
Yes,
the
ma'am.
because there is no particular season for the trees to shed their leaves. These forests remain green throughout the year. ये जो फॉरेस्ट है ना इतने डेंस होते हैं बेटा कि इवन तो सनलाइट जो भी है वो ग्राउंड को टच भी नहीं करती है. समझ आ रही है? इतने डेंस फॉरेस्ट होते हैं, थिक
Yes,
फॉरेस्ट
ma'am.
होते हैं. हाँ, और इनके जो ट्रीज हैं, इन ट्रीज के लीव्स हैं, द ट्रीज डू नॉट शेड द लीव्स इन एनी पर्टिकुलर रीजन. ये होते हैं आपके ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट. नाम से मालूम चल रहा है एवरग्रीन, ये हमेशा ग्रीन रहते हैं.
मैम, अमेजोन फॉरेस्ट कौन से होते हैं?
फॉरेस्ट सही है बेटा, ज्यादा सेम
ओके
अमेजोन.
मैम.
ठीक है. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इंडिया, अगर मैं इंडिया की बात करूं, लाइक लुक एट द ग्रीन वन, ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट कहाँ कहाँ पे है? इन द ईस्टर्न साइड ऑफ इंडिया, near the West Bengal and near the coastal areas of India. Got it? मैप में देखो where it is. The green part, the dark green part, the tropical evergreen forest. Clear? Now the animals, देखो animals कौन कौन से हैं इसमें. The characteristics of these forests are these trees are the trees are tall with the hardwood and broad leaves that form a thick canopy at the top. एक canopy type structure form कर लेता है. देखो canopy दिख रही है आपको, structure दिख रहा है. और जो इसके लीव्स हैं इतने थिक होते हैं बेटा, इतना ये ब्रॉड होता है that it prevent the sunlight from penetrating into the forest and the interior and dark and damp. सिर्फ जो सनलाइट है, इतने थिक फॉरेस्ट होते हैं कि सनलाइट जो है इनकी ग्राउंड को भी टच नहीं कर सकती. अब यहाँ पे कौन कौन से ट्रीज मिलते हैं? इबोनी, मैगोनी, अंडरलाइन, रोजवुड, रबर, जिंकोना आर द important trees found in these forests. A variety of trees are found together in small areas, making commercial utilization of these forests difficult. Now the wildlife found in this area, अब कौन कौन से wildlife यहाँ पे मिलते हैं? Look at the book and look at the screen. The variety of animals found is monkeys, apes, crocodiles, alligators, and huge snakes. Apart from animals, the beautiful birds and many insects are also found in this area. So tropical evergreen forest क्या होते हैं? Just now we have studied tropical evergreen forest. अब tropical evergreen forest क्या होते हैं? These are the forests also known as the tropical evergreen forest also known as tropical rainforest are very dense forests. कौन क्या होते हैं ये? Are very dense forests and found in the areas near to equator and close to tropics. ठीक है. These forests are so dense that sunlight can't even touch the ground. So hardwood trees such as rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common here. Then a variety of trees are also found there. Apart from the trees, a variety of wildlife are also found such as monkeys, apes, then pumas, hippopotamus, crocodiles, alligators, and huge snakes. Colorful birds and many insects are found in this forest. The first type of forest, that is tropical evergreen forest, is clear to everyone? Clear है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next is the tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest क्या होते हैं? We call tropical deciduous forest as monsoon forest. Underline. The other name for tropical deciduous forest is monsoon forest. Then these forests are found in South and Southeast Asia, Central America, parts of Brazil, then East Africa and Northern America. अब characteristics क्या हैं? इसके features क्या हैं? These forests are less dense. Like tropical evergreen forest ज़्यादा dense थे, ज़्यादा thick थे. These forests are less dense than tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest हो गया आपका tropical evergreen forest. The trees are of medium height. Right, one more extra thing लिख लो बेटा. जो tropical evergreen forest होते हैं, इनके trees जो है वो 60 meter tall होते हैं. These are 60 meters tall. And the trees are of medium height in the case of tropical deciduous forest and shed their leaves in the dry season. There is a dense undergrowth of bushes and scrubs. यहाँ पे जो है आपको dense undergrowth मिलेगी किसकी? Bushes की. thorny bushes होती है, झाड़ियाँ होती हैं, and shrubs की. The trees at this forest are commercially very valuable. जो भी trees यहाँ पे मिलते हैं, the trees are found in this forest are commercially. That means उन जो trees मिलते हैं उसकी wood को हम लोग sell करते हैं. Some of the important trees are teak, sal, sandalwood, shisham, bamboo and eucalyptus. Now the wildlife found. Wildlife देखो आप deciduous forest की. The wildlife in the deciduous forest includes tigers, elephants, leopards, bears, deer, monkeys, dinosaurs, and a variety of snakes. So tropical deciduous forest is clear, beta?
Yes,
It is clear?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of sesame?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a type of tree. It's a tree. Sesame होता tree है आपका, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, जैसा ebony is a tree, वैसे sesame भी एक tree होता है. Clear? Bamboo भी eucalyptus होता है. आपको eucalyptus have you seen eucalyptus? देखा आपने?
Ma'am, please slide.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
जिसको सफेदा बोलते हैं. Ask your parents.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
के लीव्स तोड़ते हो उसमें विक्स की स्मेल आती है. जैसे विक्स की स्मेल आती है ना, वेपर विक्स
Yes,
पे से
ma'am.
स्मेल आती है.
Yes.
So tropical deciduous forest is clear. Just mute yourself, the ones who is making noise.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Clear? Tropical deciduous forest is clear. Shall I move to next part?
I want
Yes.
to ask,
Yes, speak.
ma'am, please explain this line. There is a dense undergrowth of bushes and shrubs.
It's very simple. Tropical deciduous forest में क्या होता है बेटा? This is also called monsoon forest. ठीक है? First of all, ये these are less dense than the rainforest. Thirdly, the trees are of medium height. ट्रीज की हाइट मीडियम होती है एज कम्पेयर टू ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट बिकॉज ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट में ट्रीज आपको 60 मीटर टॉल मिलेंगे 60 मीटर हाइट पे मिलेंगे टोटल हाइट उनकी 60 मीटर होती है एंड देयर इज अ डेंस मतलब मोस्टली ग्रोथ किसकी होती है बुशेस क्या होती है झाड़ियां होती है ठीक है अंडरस्टूड
Okay,
झाड़ियां हो
ma'am.
गई शर्ब्स हो गए वो आपको ज्यादा मिलते हैं दिस आर फाउंड इन द ट्रॉपिकल डिसीजियस फॉरेस्ट क्लियर
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next is temperate evergreen forest. Next, let's move to temperate evergreen forest. So,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
I am not speaking. So, temperate evergreen forest क्या होता है बेटा look. The temperate evergreen forests are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents. Listen to me carefully. The temperate evergreen forests are found along the eastern margin of the continents. In these forests, both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus are found. So, these forests are found in the warm temperate regions along with the eastern margins of the continent. And the main regions are southeast parts of China. Just look at the screen, look at the map. देखो बेटा just find the tropical evergreen forest. देखो the main regions are southeast parts of China, USA, Brazil, Africa, and Australia. And the characteristics are a mixed variety of hardwood and softwood trees are found in this area. The main species are oak, eucalyptus, pine, betel, camphor, bamboo, and mulberry. The animals found in these areas are include deer, antelopes, monkeys, bear, wolves, fox, and different types of birds. The temperate evergreen forest is clear, beta. It is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have next part temperate deciduous forest. This chapter बहुत interesting है, बहुत easy है. Please read this
Ma'am.
chapter carefully because this chapter will come in your 9th standard also. 9th में भी same chapter है.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Temperate deciduous forest क्या होता है? Listen to me. So temperate deciduous
Okay,
forest
ma'am.
found in the northeastern part of USA. कहाँ मिलता है ये? This is found in the northeastern part of USA. Just एक map imagine करो. Imagine the map of the world map को imagine करो and find out आप imagination में USA, China, New Zealand, Chile. वहाँ पे देखो कहाँ कहाँ पे होगा ये, ठीक है? These forests are found in the cool temperate of the regions on the eastern and the western margins of continents. These forests, the trees of this forest, shed their leaves in the dry season. The trees like oak tree, ash, beech, etc., and the animals like deer, forest, wolf are common in these types of forest. So, this now look at the book. It's underlined. These forests are found in the cool temperate regions on the eastern and the western margins of the continents. The main regions are northeast USA, then northwestern Europe, northern China and Japan, north and South Korea, southern Chile, and the New Zealand. The characteristics of these forests are not very tall. These forests ज़्यादा tall नहीं होते हैं, but have thick trunks and broad leaves. Trunk समझते हैं आप? You know the
Yes.
trunk of a tree?
Yes,
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
The trunk of the tree are very thick and the leaves are very broad. They shed their leaves in the autumn season and remain bare throughout the winter. मतलब जब जो leaves हैं autumn season में झड़ जाते हैं सारे shed हो जाते हैं and when the winter season comes जब winter season आता है these trees hardly have any leaves on it. Important species are oak, ash, elm, maple, peach, poplar, redwood, and Dolus fir. Wildlife found in this area are, देखो बेटा, it is deer, bears, bisons, beavers, squirrels, foxes, wolves, and wildcat. Please mute yourself, the one who has unmuted herself. Please, I have not asked anyone to please. Yeah, yeah. So these are the location of the temperate deciduous forest. So better temperate deciduous forest is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
now we have the Mediterranean forest.
Please
Now,
explain the meaning of timber.
what? What? Pardon?
Meaning
Timber.
of timber.
Timber. Timber.
Timber.
Timber. Yes, beta, what you want? Timber?
Yes, ma'am.
टिम्बर नहीं पता आपको क्या होता है टिम्बर TIMBER टिम्बर
Yes, ma'am.
टिम्बर हम लोग बोलते हैं वुड को ठीक है
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ टिम्बर बोलते हैं वुड
That we get from plant.
yes now this brithi mute yourself brithi is a kind of wood timber we call timber as wood को बोलते हैं हम लोग timber ठीक है yes now the next part next we have the Mediterranean forest now what a Mediterranean forest am I audible
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
is
Yes,
mostly
you are
found in the
audible.
area to me is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. This vegetation is mainly comprised of citrus fruits, vitamin C जिसमें होता है, such as oranges, figs, olives, and grapes. Let me show you this thing. Yeah, this one only. So, these forests are found in the warm temperate regions or on the western margins of the continents. The main regions are southern Europe, western Asia, northwestern Africa, California and the USA, central Chile in the South America, South Africa and southern Australia. अब इस फॉरेस्ट के फीचर्स क्या हैं बेटा यहाँ के ट्रीज कैसे होते हैं लिसन टू मी इन दिस रीजन समर्स आर ड्राई समर्स ड्राई होती है एंड रेनफॉल्स अकर्स ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स क्लियर समर्स में कोई रेनफॉल नहीं होता समर्स आर ड्राई और रेनफॉल कब होता है रेनफॉल अकर्स मोस्टली ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स दिस फॉरेस्ट आर नॉट सो डेंस ये फॉरेस्ट थिक नहीं होते हैं दिस फॉरेस्ट आर नॉट सो डेंस एंड कंटेन ब्रॉड एवरग्रीन ट्रीज यहाँ पे क्या होते हैं these forests contain broad leaved evergreen trees some of them have some several adaptations like thick barks उनकी bark thick होती है small waxy leaves and long roots to withstand the dry summer. The trees found in this area are olive, cork, oak, fig, laurel, pine, fir, cedar, cypress, myrtle, and the citrus fruit. Basically, vitamin C के जो fruits होते हैं वहाँ पे मिलते हैं like oranges, figs, grapes also, and olives also. Animals found in these areas have are the most of the original forest cover has been cleared to make the land available for agriculture. जो भी forest का land है, it was cleared. Why? Just to make the land available for agriculture. Cultivation purpose के लिए यहाँ पे land clear कर दिया. And particularly large scale fruit orchards. Hence, not much vegetation found here. Vegetation यहाँ पे नहीं मिलती है. Next, we have the coniferous forest. Let me show you the coniferous forest. Yeah, this one. So, coniferous forest also known as taiga. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Taiga. These forests are found in the higher latitudes. कट गया है क्या? Yes. Am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For the response, please read the next para. Coniferous forest. These forests are also known as taiga. These forests are found in the higher altitudes of northern hemisphere. ये forests कहाँ मिलते हैं? नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर पे। जस्ट लुक एट द स्क्रीन, फोटोग्राफ्स देखो, दिख रहे हैं आपको कॉनिफेरस फॉरेस्ट नियर माउंटेन्स? हाँ।
Yes.
Then they are also found in the higher altitudes. The trees are tall, softwood, evergreen trees. Tree cedar is an important variety of trees in this forest. Animals such as silver fox, mink, polar bear are common here. This was a summary of this topic. Let's read the topic again. So, these forests are also known as taiga, as I have discussed with you earlier. The main regions of this forest are southern Alaska, South Canada, parts of Scandinavia, and northern Russia. They are also found in the higher altitude of the tropical region. अब यहाँ पे trees कैसे होते हैं देखो. The trees are evergreen, tall and straight, with small needle-like leaves. उनकी leaves कैसे होती हैं? Needle-like. If I zoom करती हूँ उसको screen को देखो. Can you see? Yeah.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
yield softwood, which is
Yes,
useful.
Yes, ma'am.
These trees yield softwood, which is very useful for making matchsticks, furniture, paper, newsprint, plywood, sports goods, etc. The trees occur in pure strands, and one particular species is found over vast area. The main species of the coniferous forest are pine, जो main मिलता है यहाँ पे जैसे pine, fir, spruce, larch and cedar. Now the wildlife. अब यहाँ पे animals कैसे होते हैं? Animals like fox, lions, sable and mink are found in these types of forest. Caribou, moose, bear and the wolf are also common. So, coniferous forests are clear to everyone? Coniferous forest? Speak beta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Are the small animals found in the coniferous? देखो बेटा, look at the screen.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
There are some types of coniferous forest found in the animals found in the coniferous forest. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next we have the grassland.
Ma'am.
Now what are grasslands? Grasslands होते हैं. Grasslands includes tropical and temperate grasslands. Tropical grasslands grow in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfall, like savanna. Savanna grasslands of Africa present a suitable example of these types of grasslands. So animals like zebras, elephant, giraffe are common types of animals found in this area. So grasslands are basically the areas which get small amount of rain comprised of grass as the rains are not enough. देखो यहाँ पे grassland कैसा है यहाँ पे? Can you see the big tree, tall trees here? दिख रहे हैं आपको big trees यहाँ पे? No, you won't be able to see the tall trees here. यहाँ पे क्या है आपको grasses दिख रहे हैं. These are of two types, tropical and temperate. Tropical grasslands क्या होते हैं बेटा? These grasslands are found in the tropical zone or either side of the rainforest in Africa, then some parts of Bolivia, then in northern Australia. In Africa, these tropical grasslands are known as savanna. क्या बोलते हैं हम इसको? Savanna. In the next chapter, we'll study about desert. वहाँ पे हमको savanna के बारे में भी आएगा. And in South America, they are known as llanos in Venezuela and campos in the Brazilian highlands. All तो वो grasslands ही हैं, like अलग अलग languages में, अलग अलग countries में, they are called by different names. The savanna in South America, llanos in Venezuela and campos in Brazilian highlights. Now the features of this forest, यहाँ पे क्या है? Tall and coarse grasslands. देखो grasslands, देखो कैसे grasses कैसे यहाँ पे tall and coarse. One can find small trees scattered throughout the regions. आपको यहाँ पे small trees दिख रहे हैं? You can see the small trees.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बस these are scattered. Scattered है ना ये? पास पास में तो नहीं है, these are scattered one. So wildlife found in these areas are deer, antelope, giraffe, zebra, buffaloes, and animals are common. Then carnivorous animals include cheetah, leopard, hyenas, and jackals. Large flightless birds are also common in these areas, like such as ostrich of Africa. Then we have the rhea of South America. So, the tropical grasslands are clear. It's clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Temperate.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of llanos?
Yes. Line number.
Ma'am, meaning of land.
Wildlife.
No, ma'am, meaning of
Ma'am, she is asking the meaning of Ilanos.
Ilano.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am, Ilanos.
ma'am, it is
Okay.
their savanna
First para on
grassland.
Ilanos in Venezuela.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Ilanos,
Yes, ma'am. That only.
listen to me carefully. What I said, tropical grassland ही है. इनको हम लोग call savanna. Savanna in South America. The grasslands जो which are found in
America,
tropical
they are called.
वही grassland वेनेजुला में होते हैं और उसको इलानो बोलते हैं. और सेम grassland is found in Brazilian highlands is called campo. Clear? It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now mute yourself, all of you. Next we
Okay,
have
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what is the meaning of a ball?
क्या होते हैं? This is found in the interiors of continents in the mid latitudes. Look at the screen and look at the picture of temperate grasslands. Yeah, short and nutritious grass are found here. Common animals are buffalo, bison. Then we have the antelopes are found in these areas. So temperate grasslands, अगर मैं बात करूं इसकी तो thorny bushes are found in the dry deserts. Here, vegetation cover is scarce because of poor rain and scorching heat. यहाँ पे vegetation कैसी poor है और यहाँ पे heat बहुत ज्यादा है. Wildlife are found in these grasslands are antelopes, horses. Then we have wolves, wild dogs and rabbits. Look at the screen. Then marsupials and the flightless bear, like the emu, are found in the Australia. Now it is clear. Temperate grasslands are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lastly, we have last may we
Yes,
have the
ma'am.
desert vegetation.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. Okay, thank you. Next, we have the desert vegetation. What is the desert? Desert is an area which is found in the regions of very small rainfall, scanty rainfall, very less rainfall. So we have hot desert and cold desert, two type of desert. If we talk about the hot desert in India, we have Rajasthan as a hot desert, and cold desert is Ladakh.
What is the meaning of ebony?
So ebony is the name of a tree. So hot desert have developed in the tropical and the subtropical regions on the western and margins of continents. The cool deserts are found in the temperate regions in the interior of Asia and the South America. अब characteristics क्या है? Only xerophytic plants which can adapt themselves to the hot. देखो यहाँ पे plants के बारे में which can adapt themselves into the hot and the dry climate are found in these areas. In the hot desert, अब अगर मैं hot desert की बात करूँ तो thorny bushes, कांटे वाले पेड़ होते हैं जो thorny bushes and shrubs are common. Cactus, have you seen cactus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have not, just look at the screen. Screen पे देख लो आप बेटा. Cactus and Acacia are the main species. Date, palms, जो खजूर बोलते हैं जिसको, are found near the oasis. Plants have long roots, thick barks, waxy stems, and small leathery leaves to reduce the rate of transpiration. The cold desert are mostly barren. Barren क्या होता है? बंजर इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. There are only yes. There are only a few thorny bushes, shrubs, and coarse grasses. Now, next is wildlife found where I already discussed camels, desert tortoises, yaks, alpacas are found in this cold desert. Now we have the last part, tundra vegetation. This type of vegetation, ये देखो tundra, is found in the southern Greenland and the northern parts of Canada, Alaska and Eurasia. अब characteristics क्या है? The long and severe winters do not allow any substantial plant growth. Winters की वजह से ऐसे टुंड्रा वेजिटेशन में कोई भी प्लांट ग्रो नहीं करता है. A few stunted trees like willow, then we have the beech and the alder grow in the areas bordering the tiger forest. Now the wildlife, we talk about the wildlife. देखो बेटा, yes, the wildlife found in these areas are reindeer, musk ox, polar bears, polar dogs, foxes, wolves, hares, and lemmings. Then The balance, however, has been disturbed by the various human activities like deforestation. Now, we can see the disturbance in this type of forest just because of the human activities like deforestation, mining, and industrialization. Indiscriminate cutting of trees and reckless killing of animals have led to the decline of our biodiversity. Because of human interference, human activities have badly affected the fauna, for animals, and the plant life of our environment. Many species of flora and fauna have already been extinct and many more are on the verge of extinction. अच्छा यहाँ पे आपका आ गया flora. Flora means flowers, plant, लिखो pencil से. Flora resembles plants. Fauna stands for animals. Clear? Flora stands for plants and fauna stands for animals. So we should therefore make concise efforts to preserve our natural heritage. Okay. So we have successfully completed the chapter. Any doubt in today's chapter in any topic?
No, ma'am, fully satisfied.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Today I'll send you the answers of history
No,
portion.
ma'am. Fully understand.
Okay, आप मेरी बात सुनो बेटा. Thank you so much for understanding. एक बात, just listen to me. Today I will send you the answers of history part. Just write all the answers in your notebook and just try the exercise
Excuse me,
part.
ma'am.
And let me
Ma'am.
speak first. Let me speak. I have not
Ma'am,
completed. I have not completed. Let me speak.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Let me
Vanchika
speak.
Randhawa has shared her screen.
Vanshika Randhava, will you please stop doing this? Okay, let's do one thing. In next lecture, I will ask you the questions of this chapter number 7, which we have done today. Okay. Yeah,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
were asking me something, the girl.
Excuse
Yeah.
me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, can
Yes,
you
beta.
explain tropical grasslands one more time?
Ma'am, I was asking you that can you send us a brief difference between the types of advertisements?
Yeah. Let's do one thing. Read that only that is given in your book. It is sufficient for you.
Ma'am,
Only short
please,
answers will come
in
from
your
that.
own words. Actually, I'm
It's
not
very
able to
easy,
get it
beta.
very
You
clearly.
you can copy the answer from the book only. Just mark it from the book or the one which I send you.
Ma'am, I don't
Ma'am,
want the
we,
answer, but I want the meaning to understand it more clearly because I'm not
Have you read?
getting the.
Have you read? Have you read that notes which I sent to you? Have you read?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not clear
ma'am,
from there.
can you explain tropical grasslands one more time?
Yes. Why not?
Okay, ma'am.
So tropical grasslands, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Tropical grasslands are grown in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfall. Listen to me. These grasses are grown in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfall. Secondly, savanna grassland of Africa. ठीक है? जो grasslands है अफ्रीका में, these are the best example of these types of grasslands. Secondly, these grasslands are called llanuras in Venezuela. These grasslands are called campos in Brazilian highlights. Nextly, we have animals like elephants, zebra, giraffe, deer are commonly found in these areas. Then, the trees of these forests are tall and coarse grasses are found here. One can find smaller trees scattered throughout the regions. Trees you can find, but trees are scattered. Clear? Now, the birds, large flightless birds are found here, such as ostrich of Africa and the rhea of South America. This was all about the tropical grassland. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in
Thank you,
today's
ma'am.
class? Everyone, girls, tell me. All the girls,
No,
any doubt?
ma'am. No,
All of you,
ma'am.
please leave the class. All of you, please leave turn by turn.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
all of you.
Thank
Bye,
you,
beta.
ma'am.
Thank you, so welcome.
What
Welcome, everyone.
of a body?
Ebony is the name of a tree.
Have a nice
You also, dear.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay,
Bye,
leave. All of
ma'am.
you leave the class. All of you leave. Leave, all of you leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye, beta. Leave. All of you leave.